Let me show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 and also A11 Plus doesn't want to charge properly. For example, if you insert your cable inside your tablet, nothing happens, or maybe it's charging like very slowly, so it almost like never charges, so maybe only showing but not charging. Or also maybe if you insert it, the plug actually doesn't go full inside, keeps falling out, or maybe if you touch your tablet, the charging stops. So the most common cause of all these issues is you simply have something stuck inside this charging port. So that is most common cause in like 99% of the cases. So what we can do is we can simply clean out this port over here. First, what I can suggest you do is simply maybe take a flashlight lately and see what's actually happening inside this port. If you have like a very large piece of lint stuck inside, you will be maybe even able to see it. So maybe you can even take like a loop or microscope and essentially look inside basically if how clean the port essentially is. And then we can very easily clean it. So first we are going to turn off our tablet. Okay. And the best tool for the job to clean out the port would be a tiny sewing needle, so the smallest you can find. So you see I'm using this, so again it has to be extremely tiny. And also let's look actually what's inside the port. So I'll quickly draw what the port, for example, looks like. So for example, this is our Type-C port where we plug in our charger. In the middle you actually have like a long strip here, and on the strip you have like several pins here, so maybe like 10 on each side, essentially something like that. So again, and what we are going to do is we are simply going to take our needle and we are going to only like go around basically these edges. So what we do not want to do is we actually do not want to touch basically this middle strip where we have all the connecting pins, otherwise you can bend something, maybe break or stuff like that. So again, what we are going to do is take this needle, simply go around the edges here and with a scooping motion try to get everything out. So again, on this side and on the other side as well, so in the same way essentially. Again, you do not want to actually go around near that strip. Also, I suggest you to also do not go around like this, even though there is a tiny bit of space, it's actually not like enough really. So again, stick to only the main edges. So on the tablet, so let me show you. Obviously also make sure to hold your tablet like this, so all the junk actually falls out while you are doing, obviously. So again, I'm inserting my needle here inside this port and simply going only around the edge, and you see like scooping out. So again, push it all the way in and get all the junk outside, and again on the other side as well. So simply scrape along the edge and all the stuff should also come out. And also I suggest you to also maybe get a blower like this. So also this excellent tool for the job. So after you finish with the needle, simply like again while holding your tablet like this, take the blower and literally force air inside. Again, this is probably the best. If you have maybe like compressed air can, actually do not suggest those because they actually leave moisture inside. So this is the safest tool actually for the job. So literally blow with a high force inside. Again, I maybe suggest you to again follow up with a needle, again with a blower, and maybe repeat this 2 or 3 times. Also, for example, maybe a toothbrush, like good toothbrush also actually is fairly decent for the job to dislodge any junk that might remain basically so around. So still insert the toothbrush like this and simply brush it outside, obviously while holding it like that. And finally, also make sure to inspect your cable as well that you use to charge. So see if there's anything maybe stuck inside and what the condition is of a stable cable. Also, maybe the fault is actually in your cable because as you actually use these cables for a long time, as you bend them, twist in some way, there are obviously like tons of different strands inside, and as you twist them, they might break something inside. Again, so simply literally also check if your cable is okay. And again, so when you actually, if everything is okay with your charger port, so if you actually insert like so you see, it should also like kind of click inside. So you see, actually the hold is very good. So you see, I can literally even like take this cable like this and hold my tablet in air essentially through this cable. So again, the hold actually should be very, very secure by default on these tablets. Anyway, good luck.